Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top race sheets for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first sheet is called Location Fakerettes, and you can change your location to any app that you want. This sheet is a theme called Space UI. Space UI is a brand new iOS theme with clean gradients. So you have all these icons for it. Wallpapers coming soon. And this is what it looks like. This is called Easy Dialer 14. Compatible with iOS 14. It was updated for iOS 14. Verified iPhone 8, 12, iOS 14.2, 14.3. Lower iOS should be Easy Dialer, not Easy Dialer 14. So T9 searching contacts by T9 of contact's name, company searching contacts by substring of number, enhanced call history by color and call duration, dual SIM dialing option. This is called My Text Notifications, gives you the way to custom change the titles text for the notifications. This is called No Typing Indicator ETS, and pre-blocks type indicators shown in iMessage. So you can see when people are typing, but they cannot see when you're typing. This is called Yobon Evolution. It gives you all these extra utilities right here. Also have backdoor options in case your device freezes. You can get out of your spring, get out of the freeze without reboot or turn your device automatic on and lose a jailbreak. This is called Better CC Icons 13. Fitch crash iOS 13.5, both iOS 13. So you can see right here, that's what it looks like. This is called Better CC Pro. It changes the colors and shape of the control center connectivity icons. This is called LS Contacts. It's contacts bar right on the lock screen. This is called Recent 2, a free upgrade update for all recent users. You control whether contact information will be visible from the lock screen or not. This is called Delete Contact, and Delete Contact allows you to delete contacts right from the address book. And a little enhancement that allows you to glimpse ahead of the current track, even ahead to see if you don't like what the future had in store for you. So you basically see what the next song will be that will be playing. This is called Call Bar ETS, and it gives you a complete call handling for telephony calls. So you see right there, gives you that little interface for when you have calls. It's like an iOS 14 feature, but supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. This is called Answering Machine ETS. Receive voicemails on device. You can customize the voicemail, voice recognition, native notifications, record your own greetings, assign dynamic greetings, call screening, pick up the call UI suppress, DTMF, which is touchtone commands, advanced touchtone commands, reject all calls. So do a bunch with your voicemails and all that cool stuff. She's called Icon Cert 14, and should remain certificate time on app icon, custom styles, opacity animation format, supports iOS 14. So you can see Icon Cert tells you how much time left you have until to sign the app again. You can also go to reprovision check as well, but this is just this is called 14 PIP, brings the iOS 14 style picture-in-picture view to iOS 13. This is called HCN HTML, allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen. This is called JellyLock Unify, brings the unlock widget from Android to iOS. This is called JellyLock Beta, and also lock screen replacement. So it gives iPhone to Android Jelly Bean lock screen. This is called D&D My Recorder, enables you to serve when screen recording is initiated. This is called Calm, and it's a modern. It's a beautiful first sight. It's modern, clean, always tinted. Your wallpapers fit right in. This is called Waggle Tunes. Makes music controls more accessible to you all the time, everywhere on your phone. So you have these features right here. This is called Icon Anus, and preserve custom icon layouts by Springboard Crash reboots. So pretty cool. This is called Fast Tools 12, and do whatever you want. Faster first release of Fast Tools 12. Also Fast Open App. This is called Chat Bubbles Lite, and keep chatting when using other apps. This is called Hijack, and take control of your status bar. It's called Text Time, and display time as text. She's called YouTube Reborn, and YouTube Plus Alternative. She's called CC Noise Control, because she supports noise standard module to switch noise cancellation or transparency. This is called Quick Activator, allows you to add customizable shortcuts and toggles to both top row and quick launch and control center, triggered by any activator action. This is called Quick Alarm, just force touch on the clock icon, easily toggle your alarms on and off. This is called Lyrication, live lyrics for music. This is called Puck, and your magic art and spirit. It prevents the need of jailbreaking. This is called Coloration, and brand new tweaks supported. It lets you color all your elements on your device. So like you literally cover like anything you want on your device using this tweak. And the last tweak is called App Firewall. Zebra, okay. And what this tweak does, you control your app's network access with App Firewall. Last tweak is called Zebra. It's it's a silly alternative to basic package manager for iOS devices. So it's gets updated, more in Cydia. But you guys catch the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.